Hello, kids. I hope you are doing well. So, kids, in today's class, we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 8, Tux Typing from the book Computer 1. Okay, so activity zone. Double click in Tux Typing icon on the desktop. So, they are saying कि हमें सबसे पहले डेस्कटॉप पर जाना है, then we have to search the tux typing, then we have to double click on it. Okay, then they show some step here. So the step 1, click on start button. Step 2 is click on all apps option. Okay, then there appears some options, so you have to click on the all apps option. Okay, then step 3, click on tux typing. Then the step 4, click on tux typing full screen. Then there you can see in the picture as well. First you have to click on this. Then in the step 2 you have to go to this. Then in the step 3 you have to click on this tux paint. Then after that in the step 4 you have to click on this option. Okay, you will get the following window. The first one we'll get is this one. So we have to choose Fisk Cassette option. We have some different option, but we have to click on this one. Okay, then we have give some other options. Then we have to click on this one, alphabet option. Written also, choose alphabet option. Okay, then another window opens. There is saying choose easy option. We have some different levels. We have to choose the easiest level. Okay, then window like this appears on the screen. Then you can start playing. So now start playing by pressing the letter that appears on the first. This way the letter will go away and help the penguin to eat fish. So we have to click on the letters. Then then we have to help this penguin to eat or to disappear these words. Okay, we have a note as well. Press escape key to pause the game. Press escape key again to go back to the menu. Select main menu option and then choose quit option to quit the game. So we have to click on the escape key to pause that game. Then again we have to press the escape key to go to the menu. Then after that we have in the main menu option we have to select the quit option. So we'll quit the game. Okay, now Cyber Forever Olympiad CFO. Okay, so we'll just attempt this questions. Okay, A, tick the correct option first. Which of the following is a machine? So they're asking कि कौन सी machine है? Given options में से first a child, then second there is a AC, and the third one is the dog. So this one is a machine, right? So we'll tick on this one. Then second, which machine work can a computer early? So we have some devices. First one is a typewriter, then a joystick, then a calculator. So they are asking कि कौन सी मशीन हम अर्ली टाइम्स में यूज करते थे. सो द आंसर इज टाइपराइटर. ओके, देन थर्ड, कंप्यूटर नीड्स डैश टू डू वर्क. कंप्यूटर को क्या चाहिए होता है वर्क करने के लिए? वी हैव गिवन सम ऑप्शंस. फर्स्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, सेकंड वाटर, थर्ड गैस. सो द आंसर इज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. ओके, इट नीड्स इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. फोर्थ, कंप्यूटर नीड्स इंस्ट्रक्शंस टू डू वर्क डैश. सो कंप्यूटर को इंस्ट्रक्शन चाहिए होती है ताकि वो वर्क कर सके. सो वी हैव सम ऑप्शंस. फर्स्ट ट्रू, सेकंड फॉल्स, थर्ड कांट से. सो द आंसर इज ट्रू. यस, इट नीड्स सम इंस्ट्रक्शंस फ्रॉम अस. फिफ्थ, द इंस्ट्रक्शंस दैट वी गिव टू द कंप्यूटर आर नोन एज डैश. तो जो हम इंस्ट्रक्शंस देते हैं कंप्यूटर को उसे क्या कहते हैं? वी हैव सम ऑप्शंस. फर्स्ट कमांड्स, सेकंड प्रोसेसिंग, थर्ड रैटन. सो द आंसर इज कमांड्स. ओके, Then sixth, identify the man-made thing. So here we need to identify the things that are man-made. Human beings ने बनाई हैं जो. Okay, options हैं tree, car, then a lion. So the answer is car. Okay. Then seventh, washing machine get energy from dash. So they are asking कि washing machine को किससे energy मिलती है? Options given है. First gas, second electricity, third petrol. So the answer is electricity. Okay. Then there is next question, eighth, computer has memory. So they are saying कि computer की memory होती है. So we have some options. First false, second true, third don't. Clear. So yes, this is true. B, fill in the blanks with the correct word. So we have to fill the blanks with the correct words. First, machines are dash device that make our works easy. तो machines ऐसे device होते हैं जो हमारा काम आसान बना देते हैं. So the answer is smart device. Okay. Second, a computer is made up of monitor, CPU, dash and mouse. जो computer होता है वो monitor, CPU and mouse और क्या मिलके बनता है? So the answer is keyboard. Okay. Third, a computer has dash parts. जो computer होता है उसके कैसे parts होते हैं? It has different parts, right? Fourth, computer is a dash. तो जो computer है वो क्या है? Computer is a smart machine, right? Fifth, computer make our work dash. तो जो कंप्यूटर होता है हमारे वर्क को कैसा कर देता है? Easy, right? Sixth, dash are man-made devices. So कौन से devices man-made होते हैं? So the answer is machines, right? Seventh, computer do not get dash like human being. तो जो कंप्यूटर होता है वो ह्यूमन बीइंग की तरह क्या नहीं होता? सो द आंसर इज एग्जॉस्टेड. ओके. एट्थ, कंप्यूटर टेक्स इनपुट डैश एंड गिव्स फास्ट रिजल्ट. जो कंप्यूटर होता है वो इनपुट को क्या करता है और बहुत जल्दी रिजल्ट देता है. सो द आंसर इज इन. ओके. C, match the following. First, these are the speakers, so we'll match with the fifth one. Then second, this is a computer, so we'll match with the third one. Then third, calculator. Here it is written, it is used only for calculation. Yes, so we'll match this one with fourth one. Then fourth, fridge or refrigerator, right? So here it gives us cold water. Yes, fridge gives us cold water. So we'll match with this second one. Then a tree. There it is. It is a natural thing. Yes, tree is a natural thing. D, identify the various parts of computer and write their names. So in this question we need to identify the different parts of computer and write their name. Okay. So first one, this is a monitor, right? So we'll write here. This one, this is a mouse. So we'll write here mouse. This one is a keyboard, right? And in the end, this one is a printer. Okay. So I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye.